we have here a thick monumental book on the microscope in medicine in a nice 19th century half-leather binding, like so. Marbled boards and raised bands on the spine with the compartments gilt stamped and lettered, like so. The edges of the text block are marbled, as are the end papers, like this. Here we have the title page with, it says, 500 illustrations drawn on wood by the author, 4th edition, much enlarged, and it is 1878, right there. The paper has uniformly browned, like this. This is because they used a wood pulp paper, which has acidified over the years, and it has to do with the chemical reaction of the parts of the chemicals used to finish the paper and in the composition of it. And so you do see browned paper quite a bit as we get into the late 19th century, yeah, especially on periodicals and, well, even today, newspapers. But you can see here that there are many, many full-page illustrations, each of them with numerous smaller diagrams or drawings, evidently done on wood and then printed by an offset transfer method. And here we have the index at the rear. The book is handsome and attractive binding, and it's well preserved. The leather's supple. It's a nice looking book on the shelf, as you see, and it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.